Check. Okay, welcome. So let's begin today. Few messages, few news like something like AI is consolidate SEC fire. So crypto ETF, Bitcoin ETF, I think is just sooner than later. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome. And first of all, disclaimer, just read this non-financial advice disclaimer, and if you agree, we can continue. So you can pause, you can read that thing. Remember, everything what I say here is non-financial advice, only my opinion. So let's begin. Let's go quickly. Here we have a Bitcoin on the weekly chart, and here we have a Bitcoin on the daily chart. Okay, as we can see, we are fighting with this neckline, which is just here at this position. So let me draw that thing. So look, this is the kind of neckline, and we are retesting that neckline. So I want to show you like what is interesting here. Before I had this formation here, head and shoulders. Look, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna see a second shoulder. Okay, so let's go here. And let's take a look. So I wouldn't look at this week. It's only on a Bybit exchange. Normally this week finish here on a lot of other exchanges. So that's why if we could continue the wave count, we should have a 5 here, which is our A. Now we could have ABC, which is our B, and then we could go down at the end of September, let's say, because September is a bearish month. So let's take a look now what is happening here in this section. In this section, we had a wave count of 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 and 5. And I was thinking this is like that, but I think it's 3 here and the 5th is here. So at the moment we are citing ABC, okay? Remember that every wave count, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, usually have this ABC correction. And at the moment we are starting this correction. So this correction, we could check on our Fibonacci, okay, by pressing this at the bottom and just at the top. And here we have a normal standard correction at the level of 0.382, okay, and between 4 to 4. So that's kind of correction that it's not too, let's say, I like deeper corrections because then market is healthy. So I'm waiting here at this stage, but if we will not going to pass this stage and this level and we will consolidate, I think we are moving up, okay, and then we will see whether it's the arm C or number 3. If it's C, we're gonna go down. If it's 3, we will do some triangle here and then maximum up. So what level we could go up? So at the moment I'm thinking that we're gonna go maybe sideways till tomorrow, till something like I'm counting on 25,500, and then we could kind of go up. I think we could go up to 27 grand, or even if we're going to break this view up, 28. And I was showing you this before. This 28 is the massive liquidation site here. So then these liquidations will be draw. That's a short liquidations, and then the price could go even a little bit up. Then once these positions will finish up, I think then we're going to have a standard correction, and then we can go down again. Okay, so where are we at the moment? So let's say with the liquidations, I think the price is going towards longs liquidation, so the price will go down. Okay, market maker is going towards long liquidation, so the price will go down. Look here, we had these levels. That's what that level is. That's the 25,880. Okay, and this is more or less here. I think we have this liquidation. 1 second. Oh, that's where we are. Okay, so 25,800. So here we have the liquidation of longs. Okay, and I think here a price could go as low as 2,500, but it's like 2,550. But that's the way. That's the way for the moment. Like I'm gathering now my Bitcoin position around this space, and I have a stop loss just below this section, so 25.50, and I'm counting that we're gonna go up. Okay, so that's how we go. Other coins, they don't show much life. I am doing some trades on Radix. I think Radix will go on this Babylon upgrade. So like Radix went up nicely on the first day when we were talking about it, okay. Then it was a retest, and now I think it's gonna go up, okay, to this event, okay. It's 27th of September, so it has a time to go there, okay. Other coins like let's say big coins like a dot, they have to pass these levels, okay. They have to pass these levels here because we're continuously going down. However, look, we have a bullish divergence, okay. I'm gonna start recording a series, let's say jumpstart, so then you can watch these easy videos, 3-5 minutes for free, of course, okay, and then understand what I'm talking about in these analysis, okay. I'm looking at Atom, okay. Atom went down nicely, and I'm thinking if Atom will come back to $6.632, then we can go to this Gamma and Bridge staked ETH upgrade that we're gonna have. So that's what I'm counting. So it's Radix and Atom. Atom at the moment I'm not going into. Radix I am in the position for the moment. Okay. What else? We're gonna check the AI coins later on. Look, OPEC still slows the production. So look, if we have standard wallet, let's say we are spending on the food, we are spending on the shelter, we are spending on energy, okay, there is a little amount of wallet left on for the other, let's say, things like a car, some whatever, discos, whatever. But if the energy consumes way more, we have nothing left. So then economy gets squeezed because we probably even have to sacrifice some food to pay for electricity, okay, energy. And that's why I think this cost of energy it's just drawing the amount liquidity from the economy, which will sooner or later, and I think sooner, within a month or two, create some sort of I don't know, recession or deep in recession. Like we know that it's the Fed will gonna help in this section. So first of all, we have to see everything is crashing. Fed is then helping, and then we're gonna have our market. So I wouldn't be surprised if everything will go down. Now take a look at this. There are plenty of scammers at the moment. So watch out when you are looking at the new trading bot, like a banana gun bot. Look, developers collected 300 Ethereum from tax, 800 from pre-sale, and 400 was dumped from preloaded wallets. Total $2.5 million, okay, being collected, and they still have private keys. So the trading wallets have this, that they are generating private key inside the Telegram, and let's say hash nobody knows about this, only yourself. But I think some backdoors will be available for some projects, some scam projects, that people will start using these bots, and the owner of the bot, okay, the developer will have a backdoor entry for private key, and then it can consume all the money which was at the wallet. So that's a typical rogue scam pool, I would say. So watch out on them. I think the only bots, the Unibot, Mev Free, and Aimbot, gonna be the bots for this bull market. All other bots, I don't think so. They're gonna kind of live with this, because I see that the developers are just scamming the projects. I don't know. We have a great fear at the moment, and I like this because the coins will then pull back, and we're gonna have a drive up. Look, this is the Bitcoin dominance. Look, okay, Bitcoin dominance went up here and has a problem to pass that. That's the level. Okay, that level we have drove like when we were here. So I think once the Bitcoin will start going up at the moment, not the Bitcoin dominance, then the dominance will start going down, Bitcoin will go sideways for a little bit, and then our alts can have a quick pump. But remember, if you're gonna get some gains, I am going to cash them out and install them in some projects for the long term. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Let's say crypto bubbles. I know now what's the story was with the multi-chain. Where is multi-chain? A second. Where is multi-chain? The multi-chain yesterday has a 50% of where is it? Yeah, multi-chain. Oh, it's going down because the owner, which was caught by the Chinese authorities, has been released. Okay, and now there is a chance that people, because there are frozen funds there in a multi-chain that was AnySwap, may have received their. There is this possibility that they will receive their assets. You know, so that's why I think this kind of this movement. And look, these coins are moving up, and suddenly they will go down, okay, and other coins will go up. So I'm gonna have to take a look at TRB because it's moving since the 1, 2, 3 days now, and maybe there are liquidity there, so we could get this on after the initial move, correction wave, and we could kind of load here and then go up again. So we'll see. This is a project. Soil, it's you can't buy this thing. I think they're gonna have a pre-sale soon or something like this. Now this is an interesting project because it's a real world asset, and they have, that's in the EU, and they have some the tax registered certificates. I don't know, I didn't read much about this, but if you're gonna read more, just take a look because that could be something for a next bull market. It's the company exists since few years, and they have already established the loan business, and now they are going into real world assets, tokens, okay, tokenization. So they could give the loans against real world assets. I would say that real world assets are not highly liquid, but the boom and the hype on the real world asset could pump that project, okay, in this bull market. So remember, take a look at this. It's called Soil. About Soil. So Soil is a blockchain-based lending protocol that bridges the gap between the traditional finance and the crypto world, refreshing corporate debt, fixed income. Yeah, so that's what it is. But remember, this is a sponsor article. So just read about functionalities, but don't get cut too kind of greedy that it's going to change the world. I like this article. The WorldCoin has a problem because the data fraud, which was there, brought the eye of authorities, and I like this because everyone who get scanned, verified for a couple of dollars, I think these people they just don't have the ability to kind of maneuver in today's world. They just want to have easy money, which it's gonna be kind of lost for them. Asset manager Franklin Temptation also applied for Bitcoin ETF. Grayscale. After Grayscale won this battle with SEC Security Exchange, that they can apply now for their ETF, so they didn't get the approval, but they can apply for approval. Every asset manager would like to have their own ETF for their own clients. So think only, once this will gonna be submitted, and plus the ETF, the Ethereum ETF will be submitted, that's gonna be the beginning of the bull market. Okay, that's why I'm putting all my money inside the crypto, inside the Ethereum, inside some Bitcoins, just to have this thing parked there. No matter where we're gonna go, we're gonna go down now, okay, or sideways. I am just DCA, dollar cost averaging, and I'm gonna be ready before the next bull market. And look now, AI deepfakes. This is what I was telling yesterday. Pose real risk to markets, says CEO Chair Gary Gensler. So SEC CEO say that now it's the AI. We have to focus on AI. So if crypto could help with AI, AI will not going to disappear, okay? So I think it's just a kind of fog of war at the moment, but it's drawing attention to AI rather than to crypto. So if the AI is in the main light now, the ETFs will be soon, and I think that's going to happen around December this year or January next year, will be approved. So I think it's going to be postponed next month. But in this year, we can get them. And MetaMask, okay, thanks to the new solution Snaps feature, will be possible supporting Bitcoin Solana and Cosmos network. That could be something big, like, keeping everything on this multi-chains on the EVMs. I don't know, like our customizable extension that allows developers to extend the functionality of the MetaMask wallet to networks other than Ethereum and EVM compatible chains. Snaps can be used to add new features to the wallet, such as support for the new blockchains, new asset types, or new user interfaces, and are installed and managed by the MetaMask Snap Marketplace. So if we're gonna add to this that the MetaMask may ask for a KYC soon, we'll probably have an ultimate wallet for, I don't know, the next dark times which gonna come, but probably the competition will not going to leave this alone. So here are the news today's, okay, important, and let's see what the Bitcoin will do. Remember, if the Bitcoin will consolidate at the level that I show you, I think it's gonna go then up a little bit, so you could get that small quick trade. Take care, see you, bye 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 bye.